Have you ever imagined standing in the shadow of ancient ruins, hiking through lush rainforests, or watching the sun rise over dramatic mountain peaks? South America is one of the most exciting and diverse travel destinations on Earth. It's a continent filled with vibrant cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and unforgettable adventures. From tropical jungles and towering Andes mountains to colorful cities and beautiful coastlines, every corner of South America offers something unique. For travelers, it's a place where history, nature, and culture come together in incredible ways. But if you're planning your first trip here, it can feel a little overwhelming. There are 12 countries, thousands of destinations, and endless experiences waiting to be explored. Knowing where to start, when to visit, and how to plan can make a huge difference. The good news is that with the right information, traveling through South America can be an amazing and smooth experience. Whether you're chasing adventure, exploring ancient civilizations, or relaxing on stunning beaches, this continent has it all. In this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know before traveling to South America. From the best countries to visit and travel tips to safety advice and unforgettable destinations. South America is made up of 12 unique countries including Brazil, Argentina, Peru, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Bolivia, Uruguay, Paraguay, Venezuela, Guyana, and Suriname. Each country has its own culture, traditions, and landscapes, which makes traveling through the continent incredibly exciting, from the lively samba rhythms of Brazil to the peaceful mountain villages of Peru. Every destination offers a completely different experience. Brazil is the largest and one of the most famous countries in South America. Rio de Janeiro is known for its breathtaking scenery, vibrant culture, and iconic landmarks like Christ the Redeemer and Sugarloaf Mountain. The city's beaches, including Copacabana and Ipanema, attract visitors from around the world. Brazil is also home to the Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest on the planet and one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. Peru is another must-visit destination, especially for travelers interested in history and ancient civilizations. The legendary city of Machu Picchu is one of the most famous archaeological sites in the world. Hidden high in the Andes Mountains, this ancient Incan city attracts millions of travelers each year. The journey to reach it, whether by train or by hiking the famous Inca Trail, is an unforgettable adventure. Argentina offers a fascinating blend of culture, natural beauty, and incredible food. Buenos Aires, the capital city, is famous for its European-style architecture, passionate tango dancing, and vibrant nightlife. In the south, Patagonia offers dramatic landscapes filled with glaciers, mountains, and crystal-clear lakes. It's a paradise for hikers, photographers, and nature lovers. Chile is known for having one of the most diverse landscapes on Earth. In the north lies the Atacama Desert, one of the driest places in the world with surreal landscapes that look almost like another planet. In the south, travelers can explore glaciers, fjords, and breathtaking national parks. The country's long shape means you can experience completely different climates and scenery within a single trip. Colombia has quickly become one of South America's most exciting travel destinations. Cities like Medellin and Cartagena offer colorful streets, rich history, and vibrant local culture. Cartagena's old town is especially beautiful, with colonial buildings, lively plazas, and views of the Caribbean Sea. Colombia is also known for its coffee culture, producing some of the finest coffee in the world. Ecuador may be smaller than some of its neighbors, but it offers incredible variety. The capital city, Quito, sits high in the Andes and features a stunning historic center. Ecuador is also home to the Galapagos Islands, one of the most unique wildlife destinations on the planet. These islands inspired Charles Darwin's theory of evolution and are famous for their rare and fascinating animals. One of the most important things to consider when planning a trip to South America is the size of the continent. Distances between destinations can be huge. So planning your route carefully can help you save time and energy. Many travelers choose to focus on 2 or 3 countries during their first visit instead of trying to see everything at once. Transportation across South America is generally accessible, with flights connecting major cities and long-distance buses providing an affordable way to travel between regions. In many countries, buses are comfortable and widely used by both locals and travelers. Food is another highlight of traveling in South America. Each country has its own traditional dishes and flavors that reflect local ingredients and cultural influences. In Peru, ceviche is a famous seafood dish made with fresh fish and citrus flavors. Argentina is known for its world-famous steaks and barbecue culture. Brazil offers delicious street food and tropical fruits that many travelers try for the first time. Language can also be something travelers think about before visiting. Spanish is the most widely spoken language across the continent, while Portuguese is spoken in Brazil. In many tourist areas, basic English is understood, but learning a few simple phrases in Spanish or Portuguese can make your travel experience much smoother and more enjoyable. South America is also a paradise for adventure travelers. Hiking in the Andes Mountains, exploring the Amazon rainforest, sandboarding in desert dunes, and trekking through national parks are just a few of the many exciting activities available. Nature lovers will find endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Another important factor when planning your trip is the climate. Because South America stretches across such a large area, the weather can vary greatly depending on the region and the time of year. Researching the best travel seasons for each destination can help you avoid heavy rains or extreme temperatures. Cultural experiences are another reason travelers fall in love with this continent. Music, festivals, local markets, and traditional crafts all offer insight into the rich heritage of the region. Many cities are full of energy and creativity, making them fascinating places to explore. Safety is something travelers often ask about when planning a trip to South America. Like any part of the world, some areas require more caution than others. Staying aware of your surroundings, avoiding risky areas at night, and following basic travel safety advice can help ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. One of the most rewarding aspects of visiting South America is the warmth and friendliness of the people. Locals are often welcoming and proud to share their culture, traditions, and stories with visitors. These human connections often become some of the most memorable moments of the entire journey. As you explore the continent, you'll quickly realize that South America is filled with incredible contrasts. Modern cities stand beside ancient ruins, tropical jungles surround colonial towns, and dramatic mountains rise above colorful villages. Every destination adds another layer to the travel experience. For many travelers, a journey through South America becomes more than just a vacation. It becomes a deeper exploration of culture, nature, and adventure that leaves a lasting impression. One of the most incredible things about this continent is that no two destinations feel the same. Every country, every city, and every landscape tells a different story, making each journey unique. Whether you're trekking through ancient ruins, exploring colorful markets, sailing along dramatic coastlines, or discovering hidden natural wonders, South America offers experiences that stay with you long after the trip ends. And for many travelers, the first trip here is only the beginning of many more adventures to come. If you enjoyed this travel guide and want more tips, destination ideas, and travel inspiration from around the world, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And let us know in the comments which South American country you would love to visit first. Your next adventure might be closer than you think.